Hi everybody, Shlomo Eitan here, Hebrew for All, lesson number 32. I'm back, and we're doing it together, folks. So let's get straight to what we want to get to, which is learning a new pattern in the master plan. So I go straight over here, and you see our newest addition to the master plan. You have to have the master plan in your head. I haven't filled it in, but if you look in the upper left-hand corner of the board, you'll see the places where you have lishmor, liknot, ledaber, lenasot, and now adding a new column, להלביש. Please note about it that it starts leha or leha. Actually, the hey connects in with the lamed, so lehal, but fundamentally it's the lamed and hey at the beginning. And then notice that yud finding its way in there between the second and third root letters, or one might say one position in from the end. Lehalbish, and those are going to be the critical characteristics that identify the infinitive of this pattern and an ongoing aspect of it. So let's read the present tense right to left across the board. Horizontal line. Malbish, malbisha, malbishim, malbishot. Malbish, malbisha, malbishim, malbishot. And you veterans immediately recognize, wow, underneath the mem, you have a straight line in every case, different from another present tense that we've learned prior in the master plan. In addition to that, you have the past tense straight away. You're ready for it, folks. Here we go. Hilbashti, hilbashta, hilbasht, hilbish, hilbisha, hilbashnu, hilbashtem, hilbashten, hilbishu, hilbishu. Now I emphasized before this that the yud was so characteristic, but notice there in the past tense in hilbashti the yud has fallen out. Hilbashti, hilbashti, hilbasht, and here in these two, as it were, lines in, the yud comes back in. So that's just a memory device for you. The yud comes back in. It's going to be in hu and he, and haim and hain. Just a memory device. Okay, so I recommend you pause, say it a few times for yourself, the present tense and the past tense. I'm going to say it quickly to show off and to make you feel like this is where I'd like you to be. Malbish, malbisha, malbishim, malbishot. Hilbashti, hilbashti, hilbasht, hilbish, hilbisha, hilbashnu, hilbashtem, hilbashten, hilbishu, hilbishu. I'm sure you recognize that we've learned up until now, either with me or in your own learning, this verb that I've just written, lil bosh. Lil bosh means to wear. Lehalbish, the verb that we're talking about, means to clothe. Or there are those who say to cause to wear, which equals to clothe. There's a particular characteristic about this verb pattern, which is that sometimes an aspect of it is that it has some element of causation associated with it. I'll show you one of my favorite verbs in the Hebrew language. Le has mean. And what you should do is you should put me on pause and practice for a moment yourselves the present and past tenses of le has mean. I'm going to go ahead, though, in the meantime, and remind you that you can recognize the three root letters in this verb, and they are clearly zayin, mem, nun, which I'm sure you know to associate with the concept of time. So, le has mean. What does that mean? Well, if you go to the third person, past tense, masculine singular, that's the who form. He's mean, and you look it up, you're going to find that it means to invite. I'm inviting you to a party, or to order, as in pizza, a place at a restaurant, whatever else you have to order. And both of those words, to invite and to order, have within them a connotation of causing something to happen in time, as it were, causing you to come to my party, getting that pizza to me on time. So, very interesting pattern, a lot of words. This is the granddaddy, way up at the top, Lehalbish. Do a review for yourself, and we'll see you in the upcoming class. It was my pleasure to learn with you, as always. Hebrew for all. Tell your friends about it. It lifts things up a little higher so more people can learn Hebrew together with us. All the best. Shalom, shalom.